two-time two-division world champion from Brooklyn, New York, TEOFIMO Lopez. Fighting out of Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, Rolando "ROLLY" Romero.
The showdown between Teofimo the Takeover Lopez versus Rolando "ROLLY" Romero is just a few hours away, and it's about to start. Former two-division and unified champion versus two-division and current WBA welterweight champion. This is probably the most anticipated fight this month of August. Lopez has a record of 22 wins with 13 knockouts and 2 losses, while Romero has 17 wins with 13 knockouts and 2 losses as well. When it comes to all-out brawling, a lot of people believe that Lopez's win is a sure thing, but there are also some who believe that an upset might happen in this fight. In your opinion, who do you think will win and be crowned the new champion in that division?
Joe is the only one of the 3 of us wearing gloves. That don't count. I hope that we talked about that. Romero just landed on Figueroa. Romero's going in for the good one. He's got Figueroa just go! There goes Figueroa. That's a hard knockout right there. Live action. Figueroa just go! There goes Figueroa.
Compa fires off the straight right of the zone. Good head movement from Lopez and a 2-punch combination. Personal plans coming up. Oh! And there is the knockdown, uppercut, short right drives down. A lot of blood coming from the nose of Compa. Headshot after headshot, short right hand, a beat down. And they're going to the body. The counter upstairs as Romero lands. 3-punch combination. Able to move this much, and he's going to want to try to block. And again, the right hand, the double right hurt a second time in the fight. 3rd time in his career, he gets mauled again by Yigan. Off balance, trying desperately to stave off the attack of Rolando Romero. He goes down again, and this time... That ball, Tatley.
Tatley takes a step back. Left hook, another left hook, and another from left. Oh, what a body shot that scores the knockdown. Out! Watch for the celebration. Here it comes. With a jab. Oh, and the left hook knocks Sparrow down. In the same fight, Sparrow is being overwhelmed early. He's placing that left hook, as Al's mentioned. Catch. Romero coming in with the left season start for ShoBox, the new generation. ShoBox alum. He's trying to count. And it was Romero. There's power.
The right hand finally from Romero. He finally got it.
Body shot on the inside by Teofimo Lopez, and they swing it out.
Last round, the 9th round.
Oh, and is that a knockdown?
The matchmakers.
Oh, he got it with a solid right hand.
And a clean right hand right on the side of the chin. He takes a 7 count. Good refereeing is. Oh man, he gets clipped with that shot. And another one, that's a knockdown. Just a little flash sort of thing and off balance. There's a body shot. And 10, it's all over. That's a knockout.
He's throwing a jab into it in the previous fights that I've seen. It works until it doesn't work, Bernardo, so he's going to have to keep learning other...
10 professional fight has been scheduled for 8 rounds.
It was just unnecessary, you know, when you're...
Like to see from Romero here in round number 2.
I mean, he's not going to settle down because...
Oh! Yes! Maybe no need to settle down.
But it's moving forward that you got to worry about. Good shot, though.
Right hand from Romero, who goes right after Amatov's. Big left hook now, and he's down for the second.
But you see the young fighting like that if you're a trainer.
That's the end of the fight here.
Campeón del mundo, tiene físico, tiene corazón y ojalá, insisto, mantenga la humildad que lo va a llevar lejos sin duda.
La dosis de humildad para mí sería importante para que fuera grande y cae al piso.
Tiene depositado en la lona.
Cordones is hurt. Romero's right on top of another chopping right hand. And a left hand, and down goes Cordones. Solid punches drop Cordones. Romero right on top of it. And a right hand drops him once more. He's not gonna make it.
You don't want to get up taller.
And that's it.
Oh, big left hand. I don't think he'll get up from that. That was a huge left hand. This fight's all over. Lopez has knocked him out in the second round.
Sí, no fue así. Los primeros 6 rounds.
Que cuando uno tiene esa velocidad. Uf. De que Lomachenko, el gran... Ahora López dice, nah, entre los Juegos Olímpicos que participó Teófimo y ahora, en su última pelea contra Lomachenko.
Followed by that hook by Romero right downstairs. To set up your power punches. Rolando Romero has all the ability in the world, but right now he is fighting someone who's slick, who is not afraid of Jackson. And again, he continues to try to wipe away the blood because the blood is really impairing the vision. Good work by Jackson Martinez of the 11th. Jackson Martinez is Sun Resort and Casino. And Jackson...
Definitivamente, en mi opinión, una derrota a cualquiera lo ocurre.
Corre para de frente.
Qué tremenda combinación, señor. El 1-2 clarísimo, otra vez metió la derecha. Uno de los mejores golpes. Ha conectado.
To the body a little bit more. He's hesitant, and Figueroa is keeping his hands up. Right now, that little counter hook that we talked about by Romero just landed on Figueroa. And it hurt him, and Romero's going into the kill right now. Right action. Figueroa just... That's a hard knockdown right there.
A la altura del cuarto round y sigue el castigo. Yo no sé hasta cuándo va a dejar que esto continúe. Esta tremenda zurda. Finalmente, demasiado tarde. Se demoró mucho. Y aquí está el peor.
Section. Nice left hook. Romero, big right hand, driving Martinez again. Oh, nice Romero. Distance, Bravo took 2 shots. You saw the Darius Miller gave shots, Dennis below.
5 fights, 10 fights. A left hook by Rolly. I'll get to that in a minute. And a left hook, and Zhao is out. This fight is over.